Hi, and welcome to episode number 8. Today we're looking at semifinals 1-2, Alliance 1 versus 4 at the Durham College event. This was definitely the most competitive series at the Durham College event. We had some really great teams on both sides. And if you're interested in the first match, that's episode number 7. That's in the playlist, or you can just look it up in the search bar. All right, so with that being said, we will jump right into it. So, uh, basically the exact same game strategy for autonomouses as the first match. We see 4039 scooping up from here, 2200 scooping up from there, 8089 trying to feed 188, and 188 unloading into this goal. 610's shooting right away. Looks like they've already got a three-pointer, and we see 63-23 also scoring as well. Wow. Okay, where did all those game objects come from? So 40-39, those two shots, their shooter wheel is just not up to the right RPM, and you'll see them just go like this. Um, yeah, not even close. So that's really unfortunate for the Blue Alliance because they're going to be down by a significant margin on the Red Alliance. Um, just out of auto. Auto is really important. You got to hit your shots. Great shooting from 610 though. Really, really good job. That puts them back in the game a little bit. Okay, wow. Okay, so Blue Alliance has definitely changed their strategy. 63-23 is going to play defense immediately, it seems, or at least go onto the other side of the field. Previous to this match, they were trying to score using these game pieces and then make some shots, but looks like they're going to defense immediately. 188's trying to get unstuck from that ball, and 2200 is picking up these game objects just like they did before. Looks like 4039 might be on cleanup duty here. Nope, they're going to go across. Okay. So, how did the defender go here? Let's just jump back. Yeah, so 63-23 just muscles their way through. It's really dangerous for 80-89 to be even further in because they could be touching be inside the trench. And then when 40-39 comes through, they could be hit. So 63-23 just muscles their way through. Really good job from 63-23. And 188 starts making their trek over this way. Yep, so we see immediate defense on 2200 from 63-23, trying to block them out of the way. And 188, they're really causing some havoc. Good target selection. One of the common problems of defenders is they try and defend both at the same time. Better to just defend one really well. Meanwhile, 610 is looking for game objects here, and once again, 8089 is being a massive problem for them. And we see a flag actually waved on 610. Looks like for contact inside the frame perimeter potentially. So we see that 610 has their intake out, and they just shove it into 8089 a few times. And we see the head ref and the ref communicating, getting those flags. This is definitely the weak side part. 610 once again gets through here because it's really dangerous for 8089 to be inside the trench area because they can get a tech foul. And 4039 just unloading right here. Really good job. They should probably go for these game objects. Yep, great job by the Blue Alliance there. And they give up a little bit too easily potentially. It is dangerous to be in that zone though. 610 makes their way through. and it appears 63-23 has died. So just through the defense, they hadn't been playing defense, so maybe some wire came loose or something. But we do see that Blue Lions has the lead. Um, and because 188 and 2200 had only been scoring from this line, playing defense on this line really has messed them up, especially with a tall robot because it blocks their vision. So it's really hard for them to be able to score uh, under this kind of defense. And it has made a really competitive match so far. Ooh, 40-39. That's not good. So there's another foul on the Blue Lions. They're trying to pick up these game objects, but they barely go into the trench with just 12200s coming by, and as a result, they get a tech foul for that. Really unfortunate for the Blue Lions. Meanwhile, 610 is making their way around the defense again. I think the defender isn't being as effective, or maybe 610 is just better at getting around the defense this time. They're definitely doing a lot better getting through it. 188 getting game objects, 2200 getting ready to shoot. So technically that should be a foul, I think. 2200 touched a dead robot, similar to what we saw before. They touched a dead robot while being in this triangle. But looks like the referees are looking at different things, and they don't actually see that, which is unfortunate for the Blue Lions, but what can you do? Okay, 188 trying to line up. Looks like they're having problems with a jam. They're still jammed. And they jump onto defense. Wow. Okay. So 188 is not doing so hot, and it's only 8 points. So this is really good break for the Blue Alliance. 188 being jammed, meaning that Red Alliance only has one scoring robot. You can easily recover this shot, especially with 4039 actually being ready to line up and score. And they're just going for the climb now. 610 really needs to shoot these to get close enough. 2 inners, that'll be enough. Sorry, 1 point short. Whoa, shaky camera. We see 1 red robot up, 2, 3, and that just seals the deal. Having the dead robot not enough to recover. Both the blue robots climb. 4039 off of only 1 hook, but that counts. And that's just the end. Not much you can do. So really, this game seems to be very reliability driven. So you want to not be breaking down. You want to not jam ever. You want to have a really killer autonomous that never messes up. Like 4039's had a couple balls miss, which could have been the difference, right? It ended up being the robot that died playing defense, unfortunately. But it definitely could have been an upset here from the Blue Alliance with just a few more things working in their favor. So really interesting series. Um, Lots of good defensive plays on both sides for this match. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how the teams up in Ontario continue to develop their strategies and play differently as the season moves on.